These are 6 of my favorite lower body routine for massive gains, and I'd like you to join me with it. We're starting with a warm up on the treadmill, and we'll be setting our treadmill to incline 10, speed 6, 10 minutes on the treadmill. We'll be working for 3 minutes and we'll jog for 7 minutes. Over to dynamic stretches. Guys, it's really important that you stretch before and after workout to avoid injuries and muscle cramps. So this is really necessary, especially for hip mobility. So guys, personally, I like to start with deadlift because it comes from ready for the day. Okay, so if I'm gonna be having a lot of hard workout routine to do that day, I just gotta start it with deadlifts. I don't know about you, but it's okay if you wanna do it. If you wanna start with deadlifts, that's cool. Okay, deadlifts done. That felt so good. So moving over. I'll be starting with a much harder one on my list, the Bulgarian split. And if you watch right here, I'm isolating my joints. This is something you have to do with your mind. Okay, that's what's called mind to muscle connection. And you just have to isolate it so you target your quads better. And you need to focus. But right here, I'm trying to also target my glutes a little bit. So moving over to working lunges with dumbbell. These are 15 kg dumbbells for each, and you can carry the dumbbells you're comfortable with. You can carry more than this, or you can carry lower, or you can carry this exactly, as long as you're comfortable with it. Okay, and you need to focus on your front leg too, so you target the quads better. So moving over to static lunges with dumbbells, you've got to maintain your stance by making sure that the other foot doesn't go directly behind the other one. So there should be a space to maintain balance. So moving over to goblet squat, elevated my heel, and I was carrying 30 kg dumbbell, and that doesn't mean you should carry 30 kg if you cannot carry it. Okay, I'm just giving you the description. You can carry lower or higher, and if you want to try your ability to carry higher one, you can just do a 1 rep. And back to the popular view squat. And here we go. You have your squat, and these are, I think, 25 kg, yeah, each. And but you can go lower, higher. Depends on how much you can carry. You mustn't carry what I'm carrying. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification.